This is not a test. All residents, if you are hearing this message, lock all doors and windows and shelter in place immediately. A truck containing the recently discovered gas IOP has crashed and the contents are spreading at an alarming rate. I repeat, this is not a test. If you inhale this gas, you may experience the following: heart palpitations, difficulty breathing, shortness of breath, and blurry vision. In severe cases, you may experience the following: severe stomach pain, migraines, respiratory distress, and blindness. If exposed for more than 15 minutes, death is almost guaranteed.